guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a future upload. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So first, as always, I'm just starting off with my brows, and I'm using my ColourPop brow color, and this is Taken for Granted. And I'm first outlining my brows and filling them in with this, and then over the top I'm using a black eyeshadow just because I want them super dark.
I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing, and everything that I tried, well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for days. Time was well spent, that's when I knew that I need to spend my life.
Then I'm taking this cream eyeshadow and I'm using it as a base for my lid up to my brow bone. Then for my crease, I'm using this light brown.
Fast lane, I understand that you've been broken too many times, but I'll be waiting to mend your wounds from all you've taken. But if we listen,
then I'm taking this deeper brown and I'm using this on the outer edge into my crease.
I'm better with you. I'm better with you.
I'm also using that deeper brown on my lower lash line. Then on my lid, I'm just using that cream shade again. Then I'm taking that light brown shade and I'm adding some lines right underneath my eyes just to make it look like I'm more tired. Then I'm just curling my lashes, adding mascara and some falsies.
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing, and everything that I tried, well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you.
Then to make the upside down cross, I'm just using my Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. Then I'm just using my Wet n Wild bronzer on my nose, cheekbones, and forehead.
Here with you.
For my lips, I'm just using a deep red shade, and this is just going to be a base before I put the blood on top.
to make you lose it. From all you take.
So first I'm just starting off with my Mayron liquid blood, and I'm outlining this where I want it. And then over the top, I'm using my scab blood.
I'm better with you. I'm better with you. I'm better with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you off the ground. That's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you.
I'm also adding some black eyeshadow in different spots just to give it more depth. And then I'm using my splatter blood just to make it look more messy and crazy.
That I have, well, I'm going.